To backup data in the Redmi Note 15, start by opening the settings, go for About Phone, and over here, when you go for backup and the restore, we can actually find few options. You can perform a local backup on your mobile device, so on your Redmi Note 15, or on your computer. And there's also the online options for Xiaomi Cloud or Google Cloud. Let's try to do this with the Google one, for example. We have to click here, and now as you can see, for some reason, the photos and the videos are not selected to backup. So we have to click here, and we have to simply turn it on. And now, as you can see, we will back up also the photos. We have to click Let's Go, click to allow notifications, and there we go. Now we can go back, and as you can see, everything is fine. So we can perform this by clicking backup now. So we can force to do this. And now we can just go back. This is one of the methods. I hope you find it useful. If you have some questions, let me know in the comments.